Alright, guys, this is a fucking video of YouTube. So who might kill us?
Hope no wheel fall.
Hope no wheels fall off. We got some Wingstop locked and loaded.
I don't have them alignment. You got my new record ticket.
So if I die, I die. But hopefully we don't die. Find some shit to do. Right? So we have nothing fucking planned. We were gonna have plans, but he got lazy. No.
You started playing Red Dead.
I played Red Dead because you were fucking taking a shower. I thought we were gonna do shit. Alright? You better do that. I fucking the fuck out of us. Yeah, so no plans. But
Somebody close it.
that's awesome.
It's a little
Fuck it, steal it, put it on my car. Alright, so we didn't do shit last night, guys. First time on camera, he little camera shot. We got Rocky, Saul, and myself. Hey, it's myself. Rocky, little dog. What you doing, Luis?
cleaning fish, nigga.
That looks. Why am I zooming in on this? I'm trying to get it.
This is my third fish.
It's your third fish? What fish you on, man? Like 20?
6, 7.
Hey, Rocky, you cut yourself?
Yeah.
Gone wrong. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys, for excellent cutting content. Alright. Fish humor. What we got, guys? Fish jokes. We got a fish joke.
What did the fish say to the other fish?
I don't know.
He's next.
Great joke. Great. Okay. Alright guys, sorry about this. It's part of the video. I had to cut the audio, copyright issues. They're working on this slowly but surely, but if you need to skip to the next part of the video, that's cool. We're just sorry about this, guys. Rocky, what the fuck? Is that your little homie? Is that your little homie, Rocky? Is that your little homie? Do you know him?
Hey, bro, this nigga told me I got a fancy rat.
This is it.
Is he your fancy rat?
Yeah, it's not. It's cool, bro. His name's Flash.
Splash the rat?
He's fast.
He's fast as fuck, boy.
See how he's chilling? Wait, he don't do shit. Nigga just be chilling.
What's that?
Nothing, way.
Is really your rat?
Touch it, yeah. You can touch it, bro. He's not gonna do nothing. Look. Touch it.
Nah, bro, I'm good, bro. I'm
No, he
just.
doesn't bite.
This shit scared the fuck out of me when we pulled it out.
No, touch it. He's not gonna do nothing. I swear to God. Look, just touch it. See?
Yeah, you didn't do shit. Okay, I was scared.
He don't do nothing, güey.
He just chill. He big chill.
Ya, así cuando le doy comida, güey, se sienta aquí y se hace.
That scared the fuck out of us. Rocky,
See them?
Luis, that scared you? Luis,
He's cleaning himself, right?
Luis, that rat scared you?
No hace nada, güey.
So that rat scared you? It scared the fuck out of me too. Hell yeah.
No hace nada, güey.
Getting back up. It's dead ass night. Picking up the vlog again. We've been doing nothing for the past few hours. I saw we haven't done shit, right, Rocky? We haven't done anything the past few hours. We just been laughing, crying a little bit. About to be cooking the fish that you saw in the gut earlier and shit. About to eat like kings, right, Luis? Hell yeah.